In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of your Tesla not starting with your phone. If your car isn't responding to your phone as a key, here's what you can do to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Start by ensuring your phone has a strong internet or cellular connection, as the Tesla app and Bluetooth are required for the phone as a key feature to work. Open the Tesla app and confirm that you're logged in. Sign out and back in if necessary. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store. Next, check that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone, as these are essential for communication between your phone and the car. Ensure your phone is within range of your Tesla, typically 30 feet or less. For iPhone users, confirm that the Tesla Key feature is enabled under Settings, Wallet, and Apple Pay, and ensure your phone's battery isn't critically low, as low power mode can disable Bluetooth. For Android users, ensure NFC is enabled, as it's required for unlocking the car by tapping your phone near the driver's side door handle. If the issue persists, reset the key settings in your Tesla. Go to Controls greater than Locks, greater than Key Management on your car's touchscreen, and remove your phone from the list of authorized keys. Then, re-add your phone by following the prompts in the Tesla app. You may need to enter your account password during this process. For iPhone users, test the NFC functionality by holding your phone near the driver's side door handle to see if it unlocks. For Android users, try tapping your phone on the handle to activate the NFC unlock feature. If none of these steps work, restart your phone and your Tesla. Turn the car off completely, then hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds to reset the touchscreen. After restarting, try unlocking and starting the car again. Finally, if the problem continues, there may be an issue with your car's Bluetooth module, your phone's compatibility, or the phone as a key setup. Contact Tesla support for further assistance or schedule a service appointment to diagnose the issue. If this video helped you fix your Tesla not starting with your phone issue, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.